Have you ever imagined that you could control your body so well without any gym that people look at you and think, is this even human? But reality, you still struggle after 10 push-ups, and advanced skills only exist on your screen. And if you don't change direction today, 2026 will disappear, just like every other year. Scrolling, let's be honest, you're confused. 100 different routines on YouTube, fake progress all over social media, and one question stuck in your head. Where do I even start? 3 days of motivation. Day 4, you quit, then guilt, then restart. This cycle is killing your progress. And the worst part? You're comparing yourself to people who've trained for years. Result? Frustration, overthinking, zero progress. But today, you're getting a clear roadmap. Follow this, and advanced calisthenics will finally feel possible. Step 1. Mindset shift, the real beginning. First, accept this. Calisthenics is not fast. It's earned. There are no shortcuts here, only patience. The guy holding a perfect handstand. He fell 100 times. The guy doing muscle-ups. He mastered the basics for years. If you chase results, you'll quit. If you fall in love with the process, you'll become unstoppable. Step 2. Build a strong foundation. This is where 90% fail. You want to muscle up, but you can't do proper pull-ups. You want a handstand, but your shoulders are weak. Reality check. 20 clean push-ups, 10 to 12 strict pull-ups, 15 solid dips, 30 to 40 seconds plank. This is your minimum base. If you don't have this yet, pause the advanced goals. For now, train like this. Push-ups, slow, controlled. Pull-ups, full range. Dips, deep and stable. Squats, body control. Looks simple? Good. Simple works. Step 3. Progress into advanced skills. Now it gets exciting. This is where you transform from beginner to athlete. Muscle up. Start with explosive pull-ups. Aim chest to bar, use resistance bands if needed. Handstand. Start with wall support. Learn balance slowly. Practice daily, 5 to 10 minutes. Planche. Tuck planche to advanced tuck to straddle. Requires serious core plus shoulder strength. One rule, progression over ego. If you rush, injury is guaranteed. Build slow, build strong. Step 4, diet plus recovery, the hidden advantage. You can train hard every day, but without recovery, you get nowhere. Basic rules. Eat enough protein, eggs, lentils, dairy, meat. Stay hydrated. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. And here's the secret. Rest days aren't wasted days. They're growth days. Step 5, consistency beats motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. You don't need perfect workouts. You just need to show up. Even 20 minutes. Even on low energy days. Because consistency builds identity. And once you start saying, "Dure, I train every day," everything changes. Step 6, mistakes to avoid. Avoid these and save years. Jumping into advanced skills too early. Ignoring form, following random workouts, comparing yourself constantly, being inconsistent, and the biggest one, quitting when progress feels slow. Progress is slow, but it lasts. Every strong athlete, whether street calisthenics or elite level, has one thing in common: relentless discipline. They didn't rely on talent, they relied on habits, and you can do the same. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you're holding a clean handstand. People ask, "How did you do it?" And you just smile and say, "I showed up every day." Starting today, no more excuses.
Most of you will watch this and go right back to your old habits. That's why nothing changes. But if you're serious, prove it. Hit like, subscribe. Join this journey. Because this isn't entertainment. This is self-respect. Either you show up or you stay average. Your move